We are going to discuss chapter number 7, class 10 CBSE, which is of 10 mark out of 40. There are 10 questions of coordinate geometry only. Okay. So suppose we are given this coordinate 2, 3. So the first is x coordinate and the second is y coordinate. Okay. X coordinate is also known as abscissa. Y coordinate is known as ordinate. इसका दूसरा नाम क्या है, उसको ordinate से बुलाया जाता है. ओके. Suppose these are our quadrant, first, second, third and fourth. Okay. This is origin. The coordinate of origin is 0, 0. Origin का coordinate क्या होता है, 0, 0 होता है. तो जहाँ पे x एक्सिस और y एक्सिस टकराते हैं, a x एक्सिस है x x dash, y y dash. Okay, so this is our x axis and y axis. Now on the right side of 0, right side, x coordinate positive होते हैं, 1 2 3. above origin y axis, y coordinate are positive. On the left side of origin it is negative. On the downward side of origin it is negative. So this quadrant is formed by this axis and this axis. The first coordinate is x, so here x is positive, so we'll write positive. Here y is plus, so we'll write plus. Here x is minus, y is plus, so the coordinate will be minus plus. Here x is minus, y is minus, so it will be here x is plus, y is minus. This is our first quadrant, this is our second quadrant, this is our third quadrant, and this is our fourth quadrant. Okay, so these are basic information related to this chapter. Okay, now we will see distance formula. We will see distance formula. What is the distance between two coordinate? What is the distance between two coordinates? Suppose we are given coordinate A, whose coordinate are x1, y1, and coordinate B, whose coordinate are x2, y2. Now suppose you want to find distance between them. Suppose you want to find distance between them, then you can write AB is equal to root x1 minus x2 का square, x1 minus x2 का square, plus y1 minus y2 का square, y1 minus y2 का whole square. Now suppose you don't want to find AB, you want to find AB square. सपोज तुमको AB स्क्वायर ढूंढना है, तो ये रूट मत लो, डायरेक्ट सॉल्व कर डालो. क्या हो जाएगा, x1 माइनस x2 का स्क्वायर प्लस y1 माइनस y2 का स्क्वायर. और यू कैन ऑल्सो राइट x2 माइनस x1 का स्क्वायर, y2 माइनस y1 का स्क्वायर. बोथ you will get same answer. In both you will get same answer. x2 minus x1 का whole square plus y2 minus y1 का whole square. If you write 2 minus 1 का whole square, it will be 1 square, and 1 square will be 1. Suppose if you write 1 minus 2 का square, it will be minus 1 का square, it will be again 1. So there is no any interchange if you either write x1 minus x2 whole square or x2 minus x1 whole square. You will get same answer in both the case. Now distance of a point from origin. Distance of a point from origin. Suppose our one point is on origin. We know the coordinate of origin is 0, 0. The coordinate of origin is 0, 0. Okay. Now suppose we want to find the distance of A from origin and its coordinate is x, y. Then what will you do? You will apply distance formula, x minus 0 का square. You can write 0 minus x also, but it is better to write x minus 0, so you will not get negative. Suppose you write 0 minus x, it will be minus x. X minus 0, it will be x. Therefore, for better understanding, write x minus 0 square plus y minus 0 square. Okay, so we know x minus 0 is x, and x square will be x square, y square will be. So suppose you want to find distance between any point from origin, directly do the square of coordinates. Suppose this is given 3 4, then directly do 3 square plus 4 square. Okay.